Hello everyone! This final section of the chapter covers Wi-Fi 6 technology and product introduction. Today, a fully wireless office will bring higher communication and collaboration efficiency to enterprises. Wireless networks based on Wi-Fi 6 will deliver unprecedented high-speed performance for 4K conferences and cloud collaboration under high concurrent access. In the future, a fully wireless production will enhance operational efficiency in scenarios such as warehousing and manufacturing lines. Wi-Fi 6 networks will provide a stable experience for applications that are becoming widespread, such as automated guided vehicles, industrial vision quality inspection, and wireless software loading for vehicles. After completing this course, you will be able to describe Huawei's Wi-Fi 6 technology, summarize the classification of Huawei WLAN products, and describe the features of Huawei WLAN products. First, let's learn about the first section. Let's first take a look at the application development of Wi-Fi 6 technology. We've said before, Wi-Fi really started to develop with 802.11n, then Wi-Fi 5, and now our current Wi-Fi 6. Let's take a look at some applications corresponding to Wi-Fi 6. 4K video conferences, 3D diagnostics. Whereas early 11n might have been just for wireless office work and graphic social networking, because the development of Wi-Fi in the past was due to the demand for wireless offices. Then Wi-Fi 5 may involve video conferencing, high-definition meetings, video surveillance, etc. Its data traffic is definitely greater than the early Wi-Fi 4. And now our Wi-Fi 6, with traffic greater than 50 megabits per second, is quite impressive, because the applications we need to support have even greater traffic needs. Comparing Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5, its characteristics are just a few. Large bandwidth, high concurrency, low latency, low power consumption. But actually, the biggest changes in Wi-Fi 6 compared to Wi-Fi 5 are threefold. First, higher speeds. Second, more users, that is, high concurrency. Previously, Wi-Fi 5 had very low simultaneous concurrency because it was half duplex, only downstream. At the same time, possibly only one user could use it. But Wi-Fi 6 uses OFDMA technology to ensure that multiple users can use Wi-Fi simultaneously. So, it supports multiple users and then high speeds. The third aspect is anti-interference. Wi-Fi 6 has stronger anti-interference capabilities compared to Wi-Fi 5. Why are the rates of Wi-Fi 6 so high? We see that its QAM has reached 1024, which is currently the highest. This is one of its characteristics for high rates. Second, there are more subcarriers. Wi-Fi 6 also consumes less GI compared to Wi-Fi 5. In comparison, the rate improvements of Wi-Fi 6 over Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 5 over Wi-Fi 4 are similar. Wi-Fi 5 compared to Wi-Fi 4 also had higher QAM and more subcarriers, these 2 points. Then 802.11n compared to 802.11a/g, The improvements might be even more noticeable. The enhancements also include QAM, more subcarriers, and a shorter GI, among others. In terms of rates, everyone's improvements are more or less the same. But what is the biggest improvement of Wi-Fi 6 compared to Wi-Fi 5? It supports MU-MIMO for uplink and downlink, accommodating multiple users. Our OFDMA technology can greatly improve the characteristics of high concurrency or multiple users, low latency and low power consumption. We won't discuss much, but just understand it. Next, let's see what OFDMA is. This content has also been detailed in previous courses. It is a new technology introduced in Wi-Fi 6. Orthogonal frequency division, multiple access. This technology allows multiple users to transmit simultaneously without queuing and competing, improving efficiency and reducing latency. We won't go into too much detail here. Then there's BSS coloring, which we just discussed as part of anti-interference. It can achieve this. BSS coloring is also a technology unique to Wi-Fi 6. It can identify different APs, because different APs have their own BSS. Because of the coloring mechanism, each different BSS is colored, so different APs have different BSS colors. We can identify which AP the signal is coming from and choose to accept or reject it. This way, it can achieve the purpose of anti-interference. These are the characteristics of anti-interference. Finally, another feature is the power-saving mechanism of Wi-Fi 6, which has also been detailed in previous courses. Mainly, it allows devices to be in a dormant state, thereby saving more power.